Hello fearless, and welcome back to the group. In today's video I'll be showing you how to use a candle chalk. I'm working on a corset dress and this is what one of the patterns look like. So I'm going ahead to remove the pin and set the pattern aside. After setting the pattern aside, you want to go ahead and mark the wrong side from the right side. So this is where our candle chalk comes in. So I'm going to use the candle chalk to indicate the wrong side from the right side. And as you can see, we have a straight line on the fabric. The good part about using candle chalk is that once you apply it on it, or once you place your iron on the fabric, the markings disappear immediately. So my dear fashion enthusiasts, let's do the practical. So I'm going to place my iron on it. Make sure the iron is hot. So I'm going to place the iron on it and you can see the magic. You can see that markings is no more there anymore. So when taking measurements, you can use the candle chalk to apply measurements on your fabric. I hope you learned something today. Bye.